Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get your Facebook leads to your CRM. It's Google Spreadsheet or HubSpot or anything you want. So first of all, you go to make.com, click the plus button and then go to Facebook leads ads. Click new lead. So every time a new lead comes to your Facebook manager, it directly get triggered. For the second module, you select Google Spreadsheet and then add a row. So in the Facebook leads ads, you go create a webhook and then select the page you want and select the fields you want and click save. For the Google Spreadsheet, select the Google Spreadsheet you want your leads to go to. For example, tutorials and then the sheet name, for example, MTDB, and then link the fields with the necessary values from the leads in before that they're supposed to have, guys, but here it's just an example. You would have here the name of the lead from Facebook and then the job, for example, and then location, then age, and then you click save and you select immediately as data arrives and you run the scenario. That's it, guys. Hope you guys liked the video and see you on the next one.